Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to get Facebook dating back if it's no longer available. Let's get started. If you've previously deleted your Facebook dating account, you won't be able to create a new one or restore it for 7 days. This is a built-in restriction from Facebook. To check this, open the Facebook app, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right, and then select Dating. From there, tap on the gear icon at the top right, select General, and you'll find the option to delete your profile. If you've already gone through these steps and deleted your profile, you will need to wait the full 7 days before creating or accessing a new dating profile. If it has been longer than 7 days and you still can't access Facebook dating, let's troubleshoot. Open the Facebook app, tap the menu icon, and scroll down to See More. Look for the dating option in this section. If you can't find it there, use the search icon at the top right of the app. Type Dating into the search bar and see if the feature appears. If Facebook dating still doesn't show up, it might be caused by a technical glitch. To fix this, you can reinstall the Facebook app. For iPhone users, you can offload the app to preserve your data while refreshing the app files. Go to Settings, then General, and select iPhone Storage. Locate Facebook in the list, tap on it, and choose Offload App. After offloading, reinstall the app from the App Store. Android users can uninstall Facebook directly through their app settings and reinstall it from the Google Play Store. Once the app is reinstalled, open it and check the menu for the dating feature. If the issue persists, you can also try customizing your navigation bar to make the dating option easier to find. These steps should help you restore Facebook dating and get back to using the feature. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.